Looking for the best SQL courses on Coursera? Whether you're learning SQL for data analytics, data science, or software development, these are my top 3 picks based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and career relevance. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. If you plan to take multiple courses, it's the smartest way to save money. My number 3 pick is Microsoft Data Analysis with SQL, Excel, and Power BI. This specialization teaches SQL alongside 2 of the most valuable business analytics tools. It's an excellent choice if your goal is to become a data analyst or business analyst. At number 2 is Databases and SQL for Data Science with Python from IBM. This is one of the highest rated SQL courses on Coursera. You'll learn SQL, relational databases, database management, and how to combine SQL with Python for real-world data analysis. It's perfect for anyone interested in data science or analytics. My number 1 recommendation is the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. While it's much more than a SQL course, it teaches SQL as part of a complete job-ready program. You'll also learn Excel, Python, data visualization, dashboards, and business analytics through hands-on projects. The IBM credential is well recognized by employers and provides much greater career value than learning SQL alone. If you're serious about building SQL skills, buying these courses individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from IBM, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and many of the world's leading universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're planning to earn multiple certificates this year, it's one of the best investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If you found this ranking helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.